Welcome to Enver World. This video is a tutorial on how to import the Enver token. In order to import Enver tokens, you must acquire them on Uniswap first. For more information on this process, please watch this tutorial. Let's get started. In the web version, click the puzzle icon on the top right corner. Click the MetaMask button. Log into your account. When the MetaMask window opens, click Import Tokens at the bottom. Then click the Custom Token tab and enter the Enver contract address. Next, click Add Custom Token. Then click Import Tokens. Now you can see that tokens have been added to your wallet. Let's move on to the mobile app version. On your phone, open the MetaMask app. Click Add Tokens at the bottom. Then, click the Custom Token tab and enter the Enver contract address. Finally, if you click Add Token, congrats! Enver tokens have been successfully added to your MetaMask. At Enver World, anyone can become an artist.